When it comes to choosing between hosted PBX and SIP trunking for your business communication, understanding the distinctions can make all the difference in efficiency and cost. With remote work on the rise, companies are rethinking their communication strategies. Hosted PBX offers a cloud-based solution that's fully managed, making it scalable and easy to maintain. SIP trunking, on the other hand, connects your on-premises PBX to the internet, ideal for businesses with existing infrastructure looking to move into digital. Balaji Selvaraj, Director of IT at Sunco Communications, emphasizes that adapting to the digital landscape requires more than just technology. It demands a strategic approach to communication. Hosted PBX and SIP trunking each have unique strengths. Hosted PBX is perfect for startups and small businesses wanting flexibility, while SIP trunking benefits companies with internal IT teams. For an in-depth comparison and to discover which solution best meets your needs, head to our website to read the full article. And remember, you can add this podcast to your Spotify playlist.